Do you want to schedule a post on Instagram? You can automate Instagram posts with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To schedule a post on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, create a new post as usual. You can select a photo or video from your device gallery. Once you select a picture or video, tap Next at the top right of the screen. Now, you can edit your post by adding text, filters, and music. Once satisfied with your post, tap on the Next button. Now, at the bottom of the screen, find and tap on More Options. A new screen appears with different options. From here, tap on Schedule this post under the Sharing Preferences section. Now, a pop-up screen appears. Choose the date and time to schedule your post. Once you have selected the date and time, tap on the Done button. Go back to the Post Caption section and enter a caption for your photo or video. Once ready to post, tap on the Schedule button at the bottom of the screen.